Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to Life Mastery. Today, we have a treasure trove of amazing summer travel hacks to share with you that will make your trip an unforgettable adventure. Whether you're planning a beach vacation, exploring mountains, or indulging in the wonders of a vibrant city, these tips will ensure you have a stress-free and joy-filled summer journey. So, let's dive right in and make this summer one to remember. Section 1. Packing Hacks. Utilize packing cubes. Keep your clothes organized and easily accessible by using packing cubes. Separate them by category or outfit to save time and avoid rummaging through your entire suitcase. Roll, roll, roll. Instead of folding clothes, roll them tightly to save space and reduce wrinkles, allowing you to pack more efficiently. Packing jewelry. Use pill containers to keep your jewelry tangle-free and prevent loss during travel. Extra plastic bags. Pack some extra plastic bags for dirty laundry, wet swimsuits, or to protect your belongings during unexpected rain. Section 2. Travel Essentials. 5. Power Strip. Bring a compact power strip to charge multiple devices simultaneously, especially if you're staying in accommodations with limited outlets. Multifunctional scarf. Pack a versatile scarf that can serve as a fashion accessory, head cover, or even a blanket during flights. Dryer sheets. Slip a few dryer sheets among your clothes to keep them smelling fresh throughout your journey. Mini sewing kit. Be prepared for wardrobe mishaps with a small sewing kit that includes needles, threads, and safety pins. Section 3. Money saving tips. 9. Travel during off-peak times. Plan your trip during shoulder seasons to enjoy cheaper rates and fewer crowds at popular destinations. Free walking tours. Many cities offer free walking tours led by locals, giving you a great introduction to the area's culture and history. Bring your own food. Pack some snacks and quick meals for long journeys or days when you want to avoid pricey restaurant bills. City tourism cards. Invest in city tourism cards that offer discounted access to attractions and public transportation. Section 4. Sun protection. 13. Cooling spray. Create your own refreshing mist by mixing water and a few drops of essential oils in a travel-sized spray bottle. Sun hat with UV protection. Opt for a sun hat with UPF protection to shield your face and neck from harmful rays. Aloe vera gel. Soothe sunburns and irritations with a travel-sized aloe vera gel that fits perfectly in your day bag. Portable fan or mini fan. Stay cool and comfortable in warm weather with a portable fan that can easily fit in your purse or backpack. Section 5. Entertainment on the go. 17. Offline maps and language apps. Download offline maps and language translation apps to navigate foreign cities with ease. E-reader or Kindle. Carry an e-reader to enjoy your favorite books without the bulk of physical copies. Travel sketchbook. Unleash your creativity and capture breathtaking sceneries with a travel sketchbook. Travel playlist. Create a personalized travel playlist filled with your favorite songs to set the mood for your journey. There you have it, our extensive collection of summer travel hacks. By incorporating these tips into your travel routine, you'll elevate your vacation experience and create lasting memories. Traveling during summer is all about embracing adventure, relaxation, and discovering new cultures. So, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel content, and share your travel hacks in the comments below. Until next time, bon voyage and have a fantastic summer filled with unforgettable moments. Happy travels. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. If you found these travel hacks helpful, don't hesitate to share them with your fellow wanderers. Remember to stay tuned for more exhilarating content, and as always, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep making memories. Safe travels, and see you in our next adventure. Bye.